There's probably 9 different zones of audio in this building. When you create an environment like this, people just come in and go, wow. My name is Tim Boyd. I am the CEO of Save Electronics. We're an audio, video, and lighting integration company. Our motto is, let us automate while you operate. We totally automate everything, so they have a daytime setting, an afternoon setting, a nighttime setting. We're at Sidecar Social, this location here, Film Alley. We're at Boomer Jack's Bar and Grill. When we do audio design, we get with the engineers at Sonance and we lay out the speakers just like you do light fixtures. Sound and lighting are the 2 most important things in a venue. If you don't have good lighting, people can't see where they're going. If you don't have good sound, they don't enjoy the space. Sonance has been a great partner for us for a long time. Been dealing with Sonance for 10 years. They've just been incredible to work with. They really pay attention to quality of sound, making sure the full range of the speakers has great intelligibility so that you can hear the singer, so you can hear the guitars, you can hear the bass player. I'm a big audiophile guy. I want to make sure we have great quality sound when we're dealing with any venue that we design. You want people to come in and say, wow, this is a nice place, and they want to come back. That's what we try to create. We try to create an environment that people enjoy. The music's not too loud, the lights aren't too bright, the TVs are everywhere for them to enjoy a sporting event. We really enjoy making a great experience for our clients. Great sound, great audio, great video, great automation, so that they get the full experience of what we can do for them